Do you feel like a dumb noob too because you have to walk outside and use your data plan to connect to the internet because for some odd reason your Wi-Fi antenna doesn't work? Happened to me all the time. Seems the Wi-Fi antenna in this phone, it's an iPhone 6, can break easily or just wear off. So the solution to that problem came in that package. It's a replacement antenna, together with some GPS module and a screwdriver and some stuff, and it cost me like $4.50. Well, after removing the battery connection and the display connection and removing the display, down here is where the cable goes, those two little parts that we bought on the internet. So one is this one here, and that one's the ribbon cable that goes underneath, so that one. So as they are underneath, you have to remove the logic board. So first things first, get the SIM card out and onto that pleasant job. Here we go, so that's a logic board, alright? And that is the cable, and here is the module that came undone. So that cable is responsible for me having bad reception, I guess. So while playing with it, this one was disconnected from the pad. So that might have caused the problems all along. Let's just replace the whole thing. I know. This is a channel for video projections on stage, and I don't want to bother you with these Apple device repairs, but there is an essential thing to it. We have to be able to repair our devices. It's called the right to repair, and I make these videos to encourage you to repair your own devices. Open them and do whatever you can do, because you seem to be able to do some technical stuff. First thing I would recommend is next time you buy at iFixit, get the Liberation Kit. It enables you to do the whole repair in your iPhone with just one Phillips screwdriver. And then go to your local government and make sure the right to repair is settled and fixed in your, well, country. Because it's not fair that a company that messes up their products and makes one simple connection so flimsy it can charge you whatever they want to because they put some screws in the bottom or just don't supply the parts to those shops that can repair these things if you can't repair it yourself. So support the right to repair movement. I'll link them below. Support this channel by subscribing, and if this video encouraged you to repair yourself, well then give it a big like and share it. I'll be seeing you next time.